How to download and install Ethernet drivers for Windows. So in order to download the Ethernet drivers in Windows, let's first go to Device Manager. You can go to Device Manager by going on the Windows first and search for Device Manager, and you will be able to see the Device Manager app. Open the Device Manager, and from here expand the network adapters, and here you can see the Ethernet controller driver here. Either E2600 gigabyte Ethernet controller. This is my Ethernet adapter, and what I'm going to do is now I'm going to search for HIDA 82600 gigabyte Ethernet controller drivers in my browser and open the first link. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see download into HIDA softwares and drivers, and from here select your adapter. Since I do have 82600 adapter, now I'm going to select this version because it is listed here, and make sure that your adapter is listed here, and you will be able to download the package version. And after a while the driver will be downloaded and you can install the driver from now on. Firstly, go to Device Manager and search for your Ethernet adapter, and search for the Ethernet adapter on your browser, and after that you will be able to download the selected driver for Windows. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.